welcome back and Merry Christmas! I hope you all had a fab day yesterday and I hope you've eaten your body weight in good food. So this little video is a little bit different, there's no recipe for you today, but I'm on a road trip with one of my gorgeous friends, Elizabeth. She's another food blogger. She lives up in the Shetland Islands and I love her and she's come to visit. We're actually filming this in November, so we have done this a little bit ahead of time and we're on a road trip. We're going down to West Cornwall, so I figured you guys might like to come along for the ride. We're actually at Costa at Cornwall Services, so we're going to go and start our adventure with a well-deserved cup of coffee. Let's go. Okay, so we are about here at Cornwall Services, just outside of Bodmin. We're going to trundle on down the A30, and because Elizabeth is from Cornwall, Scotland, obviously I have to take her to Land's End so we can go and get that photo. And then tonight we're going to go and stay at Penzance in the youth hostel, and then tomorrow we're going to trundle on up to St Ives and go and have a mooch around there.
At my window, watching the sun go, hoping the stars know it's time to shine. Daydreams, aloft on dark wings, soft as the sun streams at day's decline. Living is sighing, dying, seeing nothing at all. Baby, I lie here, watching the evening fall. Time flows through.
So here we are, we're in Penzance. We've just popped in for a coffee. Elizabeth has been off to find a geocache. She's one of them. And now we're off to the youth hostel. Did you find it?
No.
Oh.
No.
Is it?
It's on the other side.
Ah.
So, yeah.
She's got to go for a swim to find that one then. See ya!
Beginnings and finds her endings beneath our feet. Walk softly upon their faces, leave gentle traces upon their sleep. Living is dancing, dying is doing nothing at all. Baby, I lie here, watching the evening fall. Three times, hard luck and good times, bad rhymes and fine lines, not much to say. Feel fine, feel low and lazy, feel grey and hazy, feel far away. Living ain't lying, dying ain't flying so high. Baby, I'm wondering, watching the day go by. At my window, watching the sun go, hoping the stars know it's time to shine. Town's Penzance.
Oh, Awesome. So we've just left the hostel because kick out is like at 10 o'clock. So we had to wrap up that recipe really, really quickly. So suffice to say, it was delicious. This girl can cook. Do go below and find the link to Elizabeth's blog and her Instagram and all that shizzle, and go and say hi, say that I sent you. And do try that recipe. That blue cheese butter with walnuts in is unbelievable. Highly, highly recommend that. And happily, I've got loads of it to take home with me. Yay! So we are now, oh look, it's just started raining. We're just leaving Penzance Youth Hostel now, and we're off to St Ives. So let's go.
At my window, watching the sun go, hoping the stars know it's time to shine. Daydreams aloft on dark wings, soft as the sun streams at day's decline. Living is sighing, dying, saying nothing at all. Baby, I lie here, watching the evening fall. Time flows through great beginnings and finds an end beneath our feet. Walk softly upon their faces, leave gentle traces upon their sleep. Living is dancing, dying is doing nothing at all. Baby, I lie here, watching the evening fall. Three times, hard luck and good times, bad rhymes and fine lines, not much to say. Feel fine, feel low and lazy, feel grey and hazy, feel far away. Living ain't lying, dying ain't flying so high. Baby, I'm wondering, watching the day go by.
So we're now on our way home. We've just stopped and had the umpteenth cup of coffee of the day. We're at Resbryn, which is near Lostwithiel, I believe, in Cornwall. We just kind of went down the river to find a geocache, and we realised we'd taken the wrong path, so I've wandered back because I just want to have a little nap, and she's gone down the correct path to go and find the geocache. So that's kind of cool. And then we are heading home because we've got a CrossFit class this evening, and we need to burn off all the cake and chips we've eaten in the last couple of days. So a very different video for you today. I kind of hope you've enjoyed having a little tour of Cornwall. I've certainly enjoyed sharing it with you guys and with Elizabeth. It's been really good fun. It's so nice when you love where you live so much that you're really proud to show people around it. It's a lovely feeling. I feel very passionately about Cornwall, as you may have noticed. So I hope you guys have had some downtime over Christmas and that you're getting to kick back and relax and share some really good food with your loved ones, because ultimately that's what Christmas is all about. So here's wishing you all a fantastic 2019. Thank you so much for joining me along the journey this year. It's been really good fun chatting with a lot of you in the comments and seeing you guys over social media. So thank you for sharing your time with me here. It's really cool. It makes me feel very loved, so thank you. And I guess that's it, people. I will see you again in 2019. Until then, mwah, all the best, and obviously, happy camping.